Definitely is interesting. Look at this big old attic. I know people that would be tickled pink to be working in here. Is this it?
This is the other one.
This thing's burning 75% efficient.
That's pretty good for a 60%.
Yeah. It's not bad. Yeah, those are some tight stairs.
So you say that was the...
That just keeps leaking a steady drip there. Yeah.
That was the
Oh, but wait. There's more.
old homeowners fixed?
Well, at least that drain's getting nice and used. I assume that's homeowner too there. Turn the light on for me, huh?
Yeah, I
What
did.
is that, Motel 6?
Yeah.
Because we'll leave the light on for you. Because we want to know what you're doing. All the time. Leave the light on for me? All right. I definitely hear something going on.
It's making a noise. Years ago, it was even worse. My God, I thought the thing would trickle off.
I could tell you. My goodness. Let's see what's going on. Have you changed that filter?
No.
Well, there goes. When the filter makes the furnace make noises.